What's up guys, this is Phoenix Master 1 and today I have a very special video for y'all, and if you can, please make sure to give this video a like rating for all of the hard work I put into this. It means a lot. So I completed the full Pokédex. Not only that, if you have a look at the bottom screen, I have arranged each and every Pokemon according to their numerical order in the national dex. So Pokebank was out in Japan for 1 day and all of the Pokebank exclusive Pokemon were spread across GTS, and many of my friends had access to these exclusive Pokemon. So most of the exclusive Pokemon I got them from GTS, and huge shoutouts to my friends who helped me to complete this, and all of their links are in the description. I would really appreciate if you could check them out. So as you can see, I have arranged each and every Pokemon in their numerical order, so it took me quite a while to do this and get all of those, especially the event legendaries. They were very hard to find and get. So yeah, and all of my PC boxes are now full. I wish they had given me more than that. So if you have a look at the Pokédex, for every certain area you complete, you get a little golden crown besides the number. So I think it's quite nice. And the next change you see is that your trainer ID skin goes to golden, and it goes to purple when you complete the Kalos Dex, but it becomes golden when you complete the national Dex. I think it's really nice touch, and I really like it. So we are in Lumia City, and we can go to Professor Sycamore's lab and see what he has to say about this achievement. And you get certain rewards for completing the Kalos Dex and the national Dex. So I'm gonna show them all in this video. So I just want to make some things clear, like you do not need all of the event legendary Pokemon which come in Cherish Ball, like Mew, Celebi, Arceus, Jirachi, Deoxys, Pokemon like that. And you do not need the 3 Kanto legendary birds, Moltres, Articuno, and Zapdos for completing your Kalos Dex. I just want to answer these 2 questions, which are very common. So yeah, let's show him our Mountain Kalos Dex. And it was really easy to complete the Kalos Dex, as Pokemon X and Y have so many Pokemon. So yeah, let's see what the reward is, and here we have it. So it's an Oval Charm. Yes, so Oval Charm increases the chances of getting eggs in daycare. That's what I know, at least. So it's really useful for Pokemon breeders like me, who completely spend all of their time in breeding Pokemon for IVs and natures. So here is the in-game description. An Oval Charm set to increase the chances of Pokemon eggs being found at the daycare. So that's nice, and let's get our next reward from Professor Sycamore by showing him the national Dex. And I was really surprised that you don't need the 3 unreleased trio from Kalos region, which are Diancie, Hoopa, and Volcanion. But anyways, we have it, and we have got all of the 718 Pokemon as of now. So yeah, we have the reward, which is I guess one of a kind treasure. And yeah, so it's a shiny charm, yes, from Pokemon Black and White 2. Yeah, so I don't know if this increases your chances of finding shiny in Pokéradar chaining or fishing chaining, but I'm gonna try it out and see if it works or not. So a shiny charm set to increase the chance of finding a shiny Pokemon in the wild. I really wished they gave us something different, because this was the same reward in Pokemon Black and White 2. And I really do not know if this thing works with Pokéradar chaining, as Pokéradar chaining is not really easy to execute, and it's really hard to perform, I guess. But still, we are not done. We're gonna go to Coumarine City and meet the director of Pokemon himself. So yeah, let's fly over there. So if you guys want, you can leave your friend codes down below and start like a chat or something, and trade with people and complete your Pokédex if you want to. And yeah, so we're gonna take this monorail to go to the coastal side of Coumarine City, and I believe he is in the hotel. And yeah, so we're gonna meet him. It really feels nice to complete Pokédex and finally a Pokemon Master. So yeah, and here we are in the coastal side of Coumarine City, so let's walk there, I guess. And yeah, so I really do not have anything to say. And here we are in the hotel, and let's go upstairs. I believe he's in the last room. Yeah, he's in the last room, I'm pretty sure. Yes, he is. So let's talk to him. And yeah, he's game director, and he's gonna give you a specific certificate for every specific area which you have completed the Pokédex with. So first we have the Central Kalos Dex, then we have the Coastal Kalos Dex, and yeah, so that Game Freak logo sends me back to the memories. So yeah, and here we have the last Mountain Kalos Dex certificate, and I don't know if I can attach these certificates in my resume or what. So yeah, and let's have the last certificate of the Kalos region, which is this certificate. So it has all 3 starters, and I really like Chespin. Chespin was my starter. Chespin is a boss. So yeah, and let's take our last certificate for completing the National Dex, and I know it's gonna be really awesome. So yeah, I made such a great effort for finding so many Pokemon. So yeah, whoa, this looks amazing. Xerneas and Yveltal, and all of the text is in gold. Wow, so it's nice. It looks really nice. I like the 3D Xerneas and Yveltal in there. And yeah, so I guess this was it from the game director. Now we're gonna go to our hometown and see if our mom reacts to this achievement. And I also want to show something there, so let's fly over to our hometown, which is Wanville Town, I guess. I don't even remember the hometown's name. I haven't been there since I've started the game. So yeah, so let's fly there. And in Pokemon, moms are really insensitive. I really do not know if she says something about this achievement, but let's see. You cannot assume anything. So here she is, and memory from Rhyhorn Racer. What the hell? She says this all the time. Okay, let's try again. Nah. Wow, so like expected, she just does not care about whatever you do. And I'm not gonna come home again, ever again. So here we have the 5 certificates in our room, and you can see them anytime you want. At first, when I began the game, I really wasn't sure why the space was left in there. I thought that this was for clothes or dolls or something like that, but yeah, it was for certificates. So this is all you get after completing the Pokédex, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please make sure to give a like rating, and I will see you guys next time. So yeah, have a good day.